Hi, I'm Charles Kiddell and this is K12Press. You're looking at a video tutorial that goes over menu images. That's how to add icons and images in your WordPress menus. To accomplish this, we're going to use two of our K12Press favorite plugins that are found in the K12Press Plugin Library. And that would be FontAwesome, which is a great tool for commonly used icons, and then the Menu Image plugin. So these two plugins used in unison provide you with a easy way to add icons and images to any library that you're using in WordPress. I'm going to use the XYZ Academy demo site's header, two of their menus to kind of show you. And if you can look here at the XYZ Academy's header, this is this image, or well, this part on the top here, you'll see a frequently visited top level navigation system up here that has icons, and then you'll see that the first three are like your home page, news, and calendar, which are frequently visited or places that you want to be frequently visited, icons that take up less space in this horizontal menu at the top. So what we're going to do is take a look at these two plugins and what they offer you. So like we've said before in a tutorial, menus are one of the only things that you cannot edit on the front end using the Divi Visual Builder. You're going to have to go to the menu section. In order to get to that menu section, we're going to hover over the WordPress name of our site here and go down to menus. That's the easiest way to get to it from your admin bar once you're of course logged in. So we're going to go to menus here. And let's take a look at some of the menus that we have. So we have the header, which is those 5 links there at the top, in the top right of this particular template for the K12Press website for the XYZ Academy. You have news, grades, menus, sports, and jobs. Now, these we actually use in conjunction with an icon and the actual label itself. And to do that, you can expand your menu item here, and you see where when you hover over the block there, it has the actual shortcut to add your menu image. Now, your plugin menu image does need to be active for this to show, so if this isn't showing, make sure you have that plugin installed and activated. But you're going to go and see where you can add an image or an icon. You have the news navigation level. And we're going to go take a quick look at this image icon. So here you go. You have a list of icons, dash icons, and these are just, basic ones, but you also have this tab for FontAwesome. And if you've had the K12Press Plugin Library FontAwesome plugin activated, you'll have access to all these. Now you have brands, which gives you icons to specific brands, social networks, things like that. You have the solid, and then you have regular. Now, with these, you can actually go into solid and see how many fonts you have access to here. And there are a ton. So all you're going to do is select whether or not you want to upload your own image or an icon. And for this, you see in our preview, we have icon listed. So we're going to click icon. Now up here, you have title position. This shows where, in conjunction with that icon or image, the title or label is. If you didn't want it to show at all, you could click hide here, or you could click above and see in the preview how it has the label above the icon there, below, before and after, title below for this particular one. Now you have a way that you can select these icons and enter in the sizes when you're first starting out. So if we were to create a new icon here, so I'm going to go find a new icon. So what I've done is I've created a test, and this actually doesn't already have an image applied. So the other 5 already have an image applied, so I want you to see what this looks like starting it from the beginning. So we have it to where we can add an image or icon here, and you can say, hey, if we're using an image, and you can create these in Canva and just create a small 48 by 48 pixel icon. You can even create a rollover image, so as you're hovering over that icon, you maybe add some color or move it a little bit, change the icon. You can add a image and an on hover, but for this we're just going to use icon. And also you can set the image size. Of course, you have 48 by 48 or 36, 36, 24. I like to create all my icons, if I'm creating icons, 48 by 48, and you can shrink them to whatever size from there, but that keeps the page load small, and that's a good size for, you can't take a small 24 by 24 pixel icon and ever decide, hey, I want to make it bigger, 48 by 48, because then that actually kind of makes it look grainy or you lose quality. However, you can take a 48 by 48 and shrink it down to 24 by 24 and it looks just fine. So I have 36 by 36 by default here, but I'm going to switch over to icon and I'm going to switch over to FontAwesome. So I have any of these that I can pick. So I'm just going to pick a solid one from here. Let's grab, there we go. That's just for fun. And then we're going to say we want the label below. And we're going to save changes here. So now that that is changed successfully and saved successfully, we're going to go click out of that and we're going to save the menu. So that menu is saved. Let's real quick before we go take a look at everything, let's go over to the main menu here. And the main menu, you'll see the first few that I have here. Well, I just wanted to show you how that's selected with hide. That means I'm just showing the icon here. It doesn't change anything from the link or anything like that. We're just removing that label to be able to save space on that horizontal main menu in the header. However, let's go take a look at our home page and you'll see, hey, there we go. Now it's a little bit bigger. These are 24 by 24, so I should have selected that in the beginning. However, you can see that they're all kind of grayed out. Now the icons are SVG icons, and you can generate the size, whatever size or color you need to. What you do here is you actually edit that within the header settings for Divi Visual Builder, so you can go in that and change, and that's how you can change the label size, the colors, the padding, how much distance is in between the icon and the labels themselves and the other elements. But you do have to change that within the menu module itself in your header. So you'd click on settings and you'd go in and you'd be able to change the different menu text, colors, things like that. There you go. And that kind of helps blend it in with your branding and colors. But all of this is a simple edit to your plugin files for the menu image plugin. Just make sure you have the FontAwesome plugin installed as well. These are all plugins that you can find in your plugin library. And once you have those installed, you're good to go. Now, real quick, just a tutorial on how to remove that. Well, we're going to discard those changes because I want to remove that test icon from there. So I'm going to remove the header icon that we just created for test and just click remove and save the menu, and that gets us back to normal and everybody's happy. Alright, thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're working on a school, campus, or district web page using WordPress. K12Press has a wealth of knowledge and would be happy to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.